guys, it's Mandy Pernz. Welcome back to my channel. If you watched Bridgerton and hated it, please get out. I'm just kidding, you can stay. Dearest viewer, oh my gosh, I can do a British accent. Esteemed viewers on my channel, I'm about to unleash my crazy fangirling moment about the Bridgerton series. If it is not yet known to you, the season 2 of the show just got released on Netflix last week, and this creator right here was one of its anticipators. I finished it in 2 days, then I read the books, and now I'm completely obsessed. That's why I'm making this video. But I can't do this anymore. I have to switch back to my accent. Anyway, I love this season 2, although I read online that some people find it less fun and less steamy, which I kind of find it absurd because I feel like people just watched and liked Bridgerton because of its explicit scenes. When I watched the first season, I had no idea what it was about, and all I know was that it was a period drama, and I love reading that kind of genre, so I got so excited to see something like that on Netflix, and naturally, I got hooked. Now that season 2 is out, I am completely in love with it. I cannot really compare which one's better, season 1 or season 2, because they are entirely two different stories. They have different plots and different main characters, different couples, but all I can say is that both couples in the series have amazing chemistry. And of course, the aesthetic of the series keeps getting better and better. But let me tell you, I laughed and cried more during the second season. I laughed a lot because of Benedict. He is such a serotonin boost this season. He has more confidence, which I really admire about him. He's so cute and handsome. He's definitely my favorite Bridgerton. I cried a lot because of their mother, Violet Bridgerton, and also because of Kate. Her sacrifices for her sister are so teary-worthy. I don't know if that's a word, but yeah. And what led me to read the books was because of Benedict. I didn't read Daphne's and Anthony's books because I've heard that there were a lot of changes from the books to the show. If I read the books, I feel like I'm going to be disappointed on the show, and I do not want that to happen because I love the show so much. I just skipped to Benedict's. I skipped Colin's and Eloise. I jumped to Francesca and Hyacinth and Gregory's as well. I thought that Benedict's would be my favorite, but Hyacinth's would be my favorite story. She is such a badass. Really, I can't wait for all of the siblings' story on the show. How they're gonna portray it, I don't know. I'm ready for it. Anyway, that's a lot of rambling from me. As you can see, I'm wearing this dress, which kind of looks like a Bridgerton dress. I don't know. Let's talk about hair right now. I'll be recording hairstyles from season 1 and season 2, but they're not completely accurate. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share! Let's go! First up on the list is our main heroine of the second season, Kate Sharma. I'm recreating this side braid of hers because it was the hairstyle I was most confident of doing. Don't blame me, really, it was the easiest I've seen on the show. So yeah, that's all there is to it. A side braid with a bit of curly hair on the sides, and that's done. Fierce is what I would describe Kate, although she wasn't being honest with herself during 75% of the show, but I just love how she's not afraid to step up and be herself. Her beauty is so unique. I was probably crushing on her more than Anthony. She was so beautiful when she was wearing the orange dress at the end. Sorry, just telling the truth.
From the start.
I was wrong! I will not be the cause of you losing your honor, any more than I can stand to see Edwina in pain. You once saw her as your perfect match, you will find your way to believing it again. Please. Please, Lord Bridgerton. Anthony.
Next up we have his Lady Whistledown herself, Penelope Featherington. This was during the 6th episode of the second season at the garden during the wedding. I'm doing my own version of this. I parted my hair at the side and then I'm doing a twisted braid on the first side. Once that's done, I pinned it at the back, and then I'm repeating it on the other side. Afterwards, I unpinned the first twisted braid and then tied the two together. Next, I grabbed my curling iron and started curling the rest of my hair. To finish it off, I put on this yellow flower clip on one side to be like Penelope's, then that's done. This is probably my second favorite hairstyle in this video, but I don't know if Penelope is one of my favorite characters. I read that she was totally different in the books and her identity as Lady Whistledown was not yet revealed until the 4th book. Although I will say her fashion this season is better compared to season 1. It's maybe because she got richer now.
Simply because an opportunity presents itself does not mean you should take it. Surely there are other things to do. Have you seen the peacocks? I do not know what to say. Say nothing.
Moving on, we have my favorite Bridgerton sister, Hyacinth. I'm recreating her look from season 1 because honestly, it was the only one I could easily do. She got these braids as a headband and curly hair, so first thing I did was part my hair in the middle, then at each side of my hair, I grabbed an average size piece near my ears. Next, I braided them and tug on them to make them look fuller. After, we take the braids, cross them to the other side, and pin them in place. Next, we take the remaining hair at the front, twist them a little bit, and then tie it at the back. I pulled off some baby hair at the front to frame my face and recurled my hair. Then, that's done. Okay y'all, Florence Hunt, the actress who played Hyacinth, is so gorgeous and I can't believe she's only 15 years old. Imagine what she looks like when she's come of age. Anyway, as I've said, Hyacinth, specifically book Hyacinth, is my favorite ever. She's adventurous, smart, doesn't care what others think, expresses what she wants, and she married Gareth St. Clair. What else can I say? Fourth hairstyle is inspired by Eloise, my second favorite sister. This hairstyle of hers was from episode 1 of season 2. It's quite easy as well, just a side part and a fancy clip to pin down her bangs. I just recurled my hair at the front to finish it off, and then that's done. Easy peasy. I have to be honest, I didn't find Eloise attractive during season 1. Maybe because I think her bangs were weird back then, but now, dude, she's so pretty! And she got funnier, and then she met Theo, which I'm not gonna talk about today because this video might never end. Plus, let me just state this, Eloise and Benedict are the best sibling duo, hands down.
He's thrilling.
Yes, it certainly seemed as though Anthony had a thrilling time. Swept away by many a nimble-footed young lady, were you, brother?
I can still barely feel my toes. I thought you ladies were taught to dance.
And I thought you gentlemen capable of worthwhile conversation. How sad both of our hopes were dashed.
I think Eloise would make a brilliant diamond.
I could not agree more, Hyacinth. Perhaps Her Majesty will take note at her ball tomorrow night. I despise you.
The last hairstyle for this video doesn't really follow a character's hairstyle. I found this tutorial on Pinterest and I just added a twist to my version to make it look more Bridgerton inspired. Anyways, I parted my hair back to the middle and then at the front, I started a French braid on each side, stopping above my ear. Then I gathered the rest of my hair, leaving a small part of hair at the bottom back. I made a bun with my hair with the use of a scrunchie. After grabbing the braids, I crisscrossed them at the top of the bun and pinned them down in place. I curled the remaining hair, and to finish it off, I placed a big purple bow clip at the back because it was a bit messy, and then that's done. I was not confident about this hairstyle, but surprisingly it looks good. Not perfect, but can pass up as a Regency hairstyle, don't you think? Oh my gosh, I totally forgot an intro, but anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this as much as you love Bridgerton. Let me know what you guys think of this video, what was your favorite hairstyle, who is your favorite character in the series, and which book is your favorite. Let me know, I wanna know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video.